Hi, I'm Kevin Eikenberry, and I'm here to help you reach your potential as a leader and a human being. Welcome to Remarkable TV and the Remarkable Leadership Podcast. Today, I'm asking the question, keep or toss? Are you ready? Well, let's get started. A man in his mid-90s looked at his garage and it was full. Not full of cars, but full of the remnants of a business long ago closed. Full of activities and hobbies from throughout his life. Full of memories. And his children said, "Dad, it's time to clean out the garage and make some space for other stuff." So they brought in a dumpster, and after a few hours, it looked like this. That man was my father-in-law. And during the course of the day, clearly, he was asked the question, keep or toss, many times, and clearly there were many answers that were toss. Today, I'm asking you that question. I want you to ask yourself that question, keep or toss? Maybe not your garage or your office, maybe, but really I'm asking you about a different set of things to ask that question of. Things on your to-do list, things on your plate. Keep or toss? You have processes that you are working on that you'd like to improve. Maybe processes that need to be created. The question is, do they all need to be kept or could some of them be tossed? You have projects, big and small, that have varying degrees of importance to the business. Maybe they look like big opportunities, maybe not. Maybe they're a bit of a remnant themselves. Keep or toss. But not just processes and projects, but other things too, like your mindset. The things that you think about in relationship to your work as a leader, the way you define yourself as a leader, the way you think about your role as a leader, those are things that you may want to ask the question, keep or toss. The beliefs that you have about your team, what do you believe about them? Do you believe that they can be successful or not? Your preconceptions and assumptions about people, about customers, about all manner of things, are they serving you or not? At the end of that stressful day for my father-in-law, he said, "I've not slept well all week, not been looking forward to this day of the things that would be thrown away, maybe some that I didn't get the chance to look at. But now that the day is over, I feel like a weight has been lifted. It needed to be done, and I'm glad that it's finished." So you will have the same experience. You need to ask yourself about all the stuff that's filling up your plate and your to-do list and your head. Because until you make some room, until you ask the question, keep or toss, and actually toss some things, you don't have room for new opportunities. You don't have room for something that might be better, something that you might have missed before. Because like his garage, your plate and your mind would be full. I challenge you, I urge you, I encourage you to ask that question, keep or toss, about a whole variety of things in your life as a way to help you prioritize what's important and to give you space for what you might want to do next. Let me close with today's tweet. You can't keep it all on your list or plate. If you want better results, don't just prioritize. Take some things off that list. Well, I told this story originally in what we call the daily email. And the daily email goes out 5 days a week to several thousand people, and it's meant to inspire, encourage, and help people get off to a great start in their day and get better results. If you'd like a daily inspiration, a daily tip, a daily short email to help you with your day and be more successful, we'd love to have you join us on the daily email. You can sign up here. We hope you'll do that. And I hope you'll be back here right next week one more time for another episode of the Remarkable Leadership Podcast and Remarkable TV.